welcome back to Clarkstar Culinary. Today we're going to be making a healthy pita pizza, and this is a really quick snack that I like to make myself from time to time. First, we're going to spread some roasted red pepper hummus onto the pita bread. And you can use whatever type of hummus you like. I personally like this one because it's a little spicy. You all know how much I like spicy food by now. We've got that done. I'm gonna add on some sprouts, and I just sprouted these this week, and I will add that video link here. Let's add on some fresh tomatoes. We've got some pepperoncini. And finally, some Kalamata Olives. And we're gonna cut this just like a pizza. And here it is, our healthy pita pizza. Thank you all so much for watching Clarkstar Culinary. Please be sure to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification icon so that you can be notified of our next video upload. Until next time, bye-bye.